what are the skills that you are stronger in? Just can you let me know?
HTML, CSS, JavaScript, ReactJS.
Okay, okay, okay. So if you want to rate in React.js out of 10, what you will give yourself?
7.
Okay, 7 out of 10. In JavaScript,
Same.
7. HTML,
10. CSS also 10.
okay, 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 okay. Okay, so let me ask you some basics. Just chat. Okay. What will be the output? Just let me know. Okay. Plus one. What will be
11.
the
11.
how? Can you let me know the reason?
One is a string and another one is empty. When we add string and the enter, it will be the console as
Okay, so one is string and one is number. So
uh,
what is the role of that plus?
this arithmetic operator to add the string and
It will add.
uh,
You know what is meant by addition and what is meant by concatenation?
both this is
So here
adding
you are saying that
same adding same data type.
so you are saying here it is adding. The role of plus is adding.
Uh, concatenation adding both are same. Right?
No, adding. Okay, you think both are same.
I'm thinking
Okay, so okay, so what will be the output?
to
2. Okay, so and in the first one is,
11.
so here the second one here it is what is happening,
So adding in the display of
and in the first one it is also adding as well.
the second one it is of same data type.
Same data type. Okay, but
Yes.
you are saying me the role of plus is adding in the first one and the second one is also adding. But why in the first one it is 1 1 and in the second one is 2?
Converting one data type to correct data type is a conversion.
Okay, so you are telling me the output right in the first one and also in the second one, but you are telling me the plus sign both are used for addition purpose. Is that statement is right in the both consoles?
Don't know. What is the difference between concatenation and addition? Don't know. Actual
So
meaning.
no, you told me that both are adding, but then how can be the output is different if both are adding?
So first one it is of different data type. Second
Yes,
one it is of
it is
same
a
data
different
type.
data type, so
Yeah.
it is not adding. It means right one. It is not. We can't term that addition or add. Have you concatenated the strings? So you know what is me. What is the difference between concatenation and what is meaning of addition?
I'm thinking it is same. The addition is the adding of same concatenation, adding to the result. In a for loop, I mainly will use concatenation.
Okay. Okay. You can check it out afterwards.
So,
Okay. Let me give you one. This one. What will be the output?
error I am
Error. You are thinking error. Okay. Can you open any JS editor?
still for the
Mhm.
can I share my
Yeah, yeah. No, no. Just do the third one. You can copy and paste as well. Do one minus one. Do. Yeah, yeah. You did it. Okay, okay, okay. So can you tell me why it is zero?
implicit conversion is there in JavaScript. That is to support
Implicit
this
conversion.
converting one data type to right data type.
So at the time of plus sign, so what happens? Like it brings out 11, right? When there, so why? Here it is minus, but it is showing 0. But in the first one, it was plus, so it was showing 11.
Don't actually
Okay. Yeah.
have to
Okay. Okay. No worries. No worries. Mm, if you don't know, just I want to know then what can be the output of this one. Your you got disappeared. Yeah. Uh, what can be the output of this? You won't be knowing the concept, but I just want the guess from your side because I got to know that the third one you don't know the concept. So you can guess this one if you
0.
zero. Okay. So is it you mean to say both the concept used in the third console is the same as this one?
Completely. Because I don't these concepts.
Okay. No worries. I know that you are not knowing the concept. That's why I told that you can guess it. Yeah, the output is right. Okay, so you can find it out the reason afterwards. Okay, basically minus it will take as number if there is a minus sign.
If there is a minus sign,
It will denote it as a number, the string.
um,
Okay, and in the case of plus, it will concatenate like 1 plus 1 is a string plus 1, so it get concatenated. But here 1 string minus 1, it got subtracted, not like. Okay, you can get the concept clearer afterwards. Okay. Okay, you can open the JS editor. Okay, write it down. Uh, console log. You have written console log. That's fine. Uh, do a semicolon. No, no, no. That's fine. Do Control Z. Yeah. After that, the first statement. After first statement, write a semicolon and go to the next line. No, no. Keep it as it is. Do semicolon. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Uh, go to the next line and write it down. Set timeout. Okay. You can write it down like function. Okay. Console log of I in the curly braces inside function. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
This console.
Yes. Console log of uh, console log of write it down 10. Okay, and after that you can write uh, go to the next statement. Write console log of you can write it down anything like 2. Write it down 2 and okay, can you let me know what can be the output? Just don't run it, but let me know what can be the output.
First, we'll execute this one. Then after this one. Then after this one. 132.
132.
No, no. I am in the sense. First statement it will execute. Then after third statement. Then after second line it will execute.
Okay, so what will be the output? Yeah, that is correct. But what will be the output?
0, 2, and after 10 seconds it will execute. It will display 10.
Okay. Okay. Write down fourth statement after third. Right. Copy the set timeout one. Paste it in this. Change the console log to 12. Again, copy this set timeout. You have copied it already. So go to the fifth statement. Now, change the seconds to 9.
This one.
Yes. Then console log, write it down as 9. Uh, 11.
Yes.
Console log of 11. Yes. Yeah. So now let me know what can be the output.
First to 0.
Okay.
Then after 2.
Okay.
Then after fifth line.
Fifth line. Okay.
Then after
After that.
then after the second line.
Okay. Okay.
Then after fourth line.
Okay. Got it. Now there is a function, comma. There is a time, right? So what it represents?
Which one function in time?
Yes, the time. What is the time in what unit is there?
This is 10 seconds.
Are you sure? 10 seconds?
Actually, it should be in milliseconds.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I wanted to know. So is it millisecond or it is seconds?
Now it is 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
10 milliseconds.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine, fine, fine. We'll move to the next one. Uh,
Should
uh,
I erase this one?
yes.
Should I erase this one?
You can copy it down, or if you want it, if you want to check it afterwards, then you can. Okay. No worries. Now, I want you to run. Have you deleted the JS? Yeah. Uh, Write it down. Do you know the hosting concept?
Hosting. Yeah.
Okay. Can you let me know what is it?
Hosting all the functional declarations and variables are onto the top of the scope
Before?
for code execution.
So before code execution, what happens?
All the declarations will be go to the top of the scope.
No, no. Yes, we know that. But before code execution, what happens? I want to know the process. What happens?
Where the declarations will be on the top of the scope.
Yeah,
How it
a
will be.
declaration will get at move. It will get moved at top of the scope. At what process? In which process it moves at top of the scope?
Process I don't
Yes.
I know the only I know the meaning of hosting, but I don't know the process how you do it.
Okay. Okay. You told it right. Actually, it moves at compilation process at top of the scope. The declaration, it gets moved to the top of the scope. So I want to know, it's only for a variable declaration.
Function declarations and variable declarations.
Okay, okay, got it. uh Go to the JS editor. Write down a equals to anything, like a equals to 10.
Let the A is equal
No,
to
no,
10.
no, just a equals to 10. Okay. Console log of a, and move, yeah, write it down as var a. Okay. What will be the output?
10.
Yes,
10, 10.
it will be 10.
Yes.
Okay. Can you run now? I want to know what it will be, what it will happen if we write down the variable var a as let a.
Same output.
Same output. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Do the let.
It is a block scope actually.
Yeah. So are you? It is 10, right? You mean to say
Thinking that it will get error.
error?
Because it is let and const are block scope.
So block scope here, we are not writing any block. So
Just initializing so it will show 10.
okay, run it down.
10. Error.
Okay, it's a reference error. Now I want equals to 10. Now print. Okay, keep it var only. Okay, instead of let, keep it var. Now after var a, just copy that first statement, a equals to 10, cut it, cut it down. Now put it in the after where var equals var a, after put yeah, yeah. Now what will be the output? Yes,
So,
I don't. I didn't told you to run, but okay. What? Why it will be undefined? It moves only declaration at top of the scope, right? So it will be considered first statement as var a. Then what will be the second statement? It will be console log of a, and then value of a equals to 10, right? In the first, you are getting my point. Why it is undefined?
no, no, so, why? And actually, you selected the set that for the console.
Okay, you can check it out afterwards. Okay, if you want, you can copy this code as you are unaware of this kind of code. Okay, just okay. We will start with the React.js. Okay, so you told me what's the rating you are giving out of 10 in React.
7 years.
Do you know any library for the state management?
Used to
Library.
like concept.
Have you worked on Redux?
But it's concept I know, but practical like,
Practical, you have not done. You just
prac-
know theoretical.
no, no economics.
Okay. No worries. No worries. Okay. So React, it is a one-way data binding or two-way data binding.
One way data
Why?
from parent to child company data will be passed.
Okay. Okay. Uh, what is prop drilling?
Props are passed from parent component to child component to grandchild to component. So this is called a prop relief. So this can this can be avoided by their context. With parent component data can be passed from parent component to grandchild component.
With the help of?
React context.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Uh, so the process of what's the process of prop drilling?
Process.
I didn't heard what you told before context API. Can you let me know what is prop drilling?
Passing the data to all the
All the
components, which is not necessary. So it should reach to only the
so suppose okay, I will give you one condition that there is a parent component, then its child component, and the child component have its child component. So let me know what is the prop drilling in this process, in this components, parent component, child component, and grandchild component. So what's the process of prop drilling in this process?
props are passed from parent component to child component, child component to grandchild component.
Okay, got it, got it. Okay. Uh, so what is the difference between state and props?
State is a JavaScript object component data is stored, changes over time. Props will property data that passes from parent component to child component.
Okay. Okay. Can we pass data from child to parent component?
That's going to be the question.
Can we pass data from child to parent component?
Yes, it does.
How?
I already write them. Just
Okay.
learning.
Okay. Okay. No worries. No worries. You can say you don't know. That's fine. What are keys?
These are uniquely identified change that removed or updated in the content.
Your voice is getting bit lower. So can you bit louder?
Key is used to uniquely identify element. Which element is added, which element is removed, which element is updated. That is the use.
Okay. That is the use of keys. Okay. Okay. Fine. Uh, so, do you know the contemporaries of React.js?
On contemporary
Contemporaries, like instead of React.js, we can use any other front end.
Angular Vue.js.
Okay, so what is the difference between React.js and AngularJS?
Yeah, React.js has a bigger community and more security updates.
Most security updates.
Security updates and a bigger community throughout world.
Bigger community.
It's most popular.
Okay.
And React uses virtual DOM and single page application.
Okay, React uses virtual DOM, right?
Yes.
So, then what is Angular? Angular also uses virtual DOM?
Angular is real DOM.
Okay, 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 that's fine, that's fine. And this is the only one difference.
Uh, Angular JS is use TypeScript. It takes time to learn. It is not good for a complex UI. React JS is used for complex UI. And
So you told me React is a one-way data binding, right?
uh,
So Angular is a one-way data binding as well.
no idea.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Uh, okay, so React.js, it is a framework or a library.
Library.
Okay, okay, okay. What are higher order components?
And one component is possible into another component. Returning a new component that is from the higher component.
Okay,
Highlighting the text and to expand the menu for the other components.
okay, okay. You have used it.
No, just
Learn, learning you have done.
practically
Practically, you haven't done.
having that, but I know and a long process
Okay,
practically.
yeah, not no worries, no worries. What is the difference? Functional. So mostly, have you worked on functional components or mostly you have worked on class components?
So,
You have worked mostly on functional components.
yes.
You don't know anything about class components.
Class component, it is a stateful component, component lifecycle. That's the component. There is a extend keyword from the class
I'm
component.
saying, have you used class components
I use it, but not.
as compared to functional
Uh,
components? Can you tell me what is the difference between class and functional components?
Functional component, it accepts props as an input and pass the data from parent component to child component. And it is a stateless component. There is no real life cycle that's implemented in the functional component. There is no fundamental. functional component.
And in
It
class
has
components?
yes component. It is extended from React. You can say JSX element. It uses render method and it uses stateful component and component website methods are second class component.
Okay, okay. Do you know life cycle methods in React functional components? How will you do that?
Different stages of component. Mounting, updating, and unmounting phase. In mounting phase, the instance of a component is created and inserted into the DOM.
No, no. I'm
Updating,
saying, how will you do that? Like which hook you will you use, and then what will you
inserted,
do for mounting, updating, and unmounting? I want to know
inserted,
that.
inserted use
Yeah.
not that implement
So
the
in mounting, what you will do with the help of fuse effect hook?
function and dependency.
You will pass dependency. Anything inside dependency for mounting method?
Only function
Only function, no dependency.
in mounting phase.
Okay, no dependency. Okay,
In updating phase, we will update the dependency.
you will update the dependency.
You will install it in an array.
Okay, so you will be using. Okay, okay, and what will be the unmounting? What will you will be writing inside use effect in unmounting?
The return method.
Yes,
Function
function and return method.
thinking along that little bit confusing.
Okay, okay. If you don't know, you can say you don't know. That's not a worry, right?
Just trying it by it is wrong. By I want to do that.
Okay. Uh, you haven't worked on Redux, right?
No, just I learned the what is it.
Okay. I want to know. Have you used routers?
For navigation. Actually, routing,
Okay. Okay.
browser, route, switch, router, path, navigate from one component to
Okay.
yeah,
You can increase your voice as well. You are a bit lower on voice. Okay. Uh. Okay. Okay. Do you know what are fragments?
examples. In order, in order to return so many elements, we use the fragment element. It will only return only single JSX element. So in order to return single element, use fragment element
Okay.
in function.
Okay. Mm, okay. We will move to JavaScript. Do you know what is a callback function?
So, that function passes into another function. You have returns the callback function.
No, no. Function passing into another function.
Yes.
So which function is known as callback? The function which is passed, or the function which is in which it is passed? You are getting my point.
Which is function which is passed as an argument is callback.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. Uh, what is closures?
Inner function has the access of outer functions variables. And this is called the closure.
The inner function has.
Can access the variable of outer function.
Okay. Okay. Uh, do you know what is the difference between set timeout and set interval?
At interval will execute a function repeatedly for a
Okay.
specified interval of time.
Hmm.
Set time out after a specified interval of time, the function will execute.
Okay.
Set interval and set time out.
So set interval, you told me that function
It will execute repeatedly.
repeated. Yeah, got it. I got it. It will get repeatedly, but
Yes.
it needs to get stopped, right? If you want to
Uh,
stop, then
Maybe
what you
clear
will?
interval we can.
Okay. 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 That's fine. In where the virtual DOM is stored.
Virtual DOM is a copy of the actual DOM.
No, no, no. I got what is real DOM. I'm not saying what is virtual DOM. I'm saying where the virtual DOM is stored
Browser.
in the browser, or in the browser's memory.
Browser's memory.
Okay. Can you let me know the data types in JavaScript?
String number, boolean, symbol, undefined, null value,
Okay.
array, object, function.
So what are primitive and non-primitive data types?
Primitive are string number,
Yeah.
boolean,
Yeah.
and symbol. Non-primitive are undefined and null value.
Undefined and null value are non-primitive. Okay. So arrays and objects, they are under which data types?
Non-primitive.
Non-primitive. Okay.
So, looking at the undefined and null value also
Undefined and null.
comes under primitive.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. You can look it afterwards. Okay. Do you know the API methods?
Get to post thing.
Okay. So what are those?
Get method is used to get the data from the server. Put
Okay.
to update the data in the server.
Put, right?
Uh, delete to delete the data on the
No,
server.
no. For put request, what you said?
To update the data on the server.
Okay.
Post to create the data on the server.
Okay.
So these are the
And delete.
delete to delete the data on the
Okay. Okay. Do you know HTTP status codes?
server. 400, 4xx is used for client error, client side error, and 5xx X is used for the server side error.
Okay. So what is used for 400?
That question.
Bad request. Yes.
Some status.
You know it or you don't know? You can let me know,
Uh,
or you are not sure.
200 is for success. Few I know, but exactly I don't know.
Okay. So, what is 404? It is common
For,
one.
for
It is common. Like if you like when you run, like if the site is not right, so it is common one.
unauthorized.
Unauthorized. Oh, okay, okay.
So not for not found.
It is not found. Okay. So what is for unauthorized then?
Somewhere for example.
Okay, no, no worries, no, no worries, got it.
So I have to,
Yeah, yeah, no worries,
check.
no worries, no worries. Okay, uh, do you know what is Axios?
Get the data from the server without the reloading of the pages on the access.
And is there any alternative for Axios?
Fetch and access to get the data from the server.
Okay, okay, yeah, that's fine.
So Ajax is different. Access.
Okay, no, no, no. Okay, what are the different array methods you know?
Detail push form, slice,
Yes, push for.
slice,
Yeah,
accessing the right.
yes, yes,
Push form, slice.
yes.
Somewhere will the
Map method you have used.
map reduce the
Okay. Can you let me know what is the difference between map method and for each method?
map method will pass the array of data. An array of data is passed to map function.
And
Like
can you come again? What you said?
yes, an array of data is passed through the map function. Will each element is passed through a map function. It will give a new array. Whereas in for each it doesn't give
You
the
can close that screen. You have shared the screen. You can close
yes.
it. Yes.
Map function when array is passed through a map function, it will take each element of data and will execute the function inside the map and it will give a new array. Whereas in for each it doesn't give a new array. It will just declare.
Okay. What is the difference between map filter and reduce?
Map function fit map function when each element of knowledge passes through a map function. If, for example, if we want to multiply each element in array with a 2, we use map function. If we want that array to map function, it will be better. In reduce method, array is passed through the reduce method, and each element is passed through the reduce function, and it will
So suppose there is a array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
hmm,
So with the help of reduce method, what we can do?
with the preceding element, it will uh, calculate it, it will do the calculation and give the output.
Okay, it will give the output. It will do the calculation. Any kind of.
With the preceding element, the previous element,
Okay, and what is a filter?
some filter function we will write. If that filter condition is satisfied, only those elements or those data is gets only that output we will get with the condition which is satisfied in the filter. The data truth we will get.
So suppose there is a map method, okay, and we are passing a condition as for an array 1 2 3 4 5 we are passing condition greater than 2, okay. So what will happen in map method? We are passing condition greater than 2 in map method.
Only
1 2 3 4 5.
only the values which are created.
We know that each condition will get passed through each element for map method. The
I didn't
condition,
check. I didn't check it like this.
yeah, I know that. Yeah, it can. You haven't checked or you have checked, but what can be the? You know that the concept of map method, right? The condition will get passed to each element of an array on map method. So greater than 2 will be passed on each element of an array.
Only the elements which are greater than 2, then those
So
are
that is for filter method, right? So it will return only those filtered elements, but in map method it won't be the same.
all the elements in pass through the element greater than 2.
So what will happen? So suppose on the first element the condition is passed greater than 2 for map method. So what will happen on the first element which is 1?
So, one greater than 2 means is false.
False. So what it will return on the first element?
Is false. So
Yes.
I think one only it will
Okay.
filter method.
Okay, got it, got it. You can check it out later on. Okay. What is the use of find method?
To find a value use the
To find a value.
uh,
Are you sure? To find a value, right? You are not sure, then you can let me know. That's not a
okay,
worry.
not sure. Not sure.
Okay, not a worry. Okay. Uh, okay. Do you know what are selectors in CSS?
Inline style. ID selector,
Yeah.
class selector, universal selector.
Okay. And what will be the priorities?
Inline style, ID selector, class selector, tag selector, universal selector. These are the purposes.
The first one will be first.
Inline,
Yes.
inline, inline style, inline style has the highest priority. Suppose if in a container, if you write style is equal to color is to blue, only that
So
that
that
is
is styling.
highest
That
inline
is
style has the highest
okay. What is block level and inline level element?
block level element. It will mark by the field width and it will always starting in new line.
Okay.
Whereas the inline element, it will mark by as much width as possible. Then starting in new line. After the completion of that width, only after the specified width, then after it will come to the next one. And block level elements will go to the helping paragraph. The inline elements are anchor, anchor element, image, span,
You can have water if you want.
there is no other action.
Okay. Okay. What is anchor tag?
What is
Anchor tag. Anchor.
anchor element is redirect to another page. So
Okay.
it is a link. If we pass any link to the anchor element,
Okay.
click on that anchor element, it will redirect to that page.
What are HTML attributes?
Attributes, it will give additional information to that.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Uh, what are iframe tags?
Same I print as we can include images and use all the data of one HTML document. We
Yeah.
can keep it in uh, keep in that item.
Okay. Got it. What are formatting tags?
Formatting tags. Form tag. Form.
Formatting. Formatting.
No,
So, what is the difference between bold tag and strong tag?
strong tag in the sense it will display very strong and thickness it will be
It will display strong tag.
bold. Bold also.
It is
No,
nearly the same. Okay,
no.
but there is some difference between bold and strong tag.
I think underline it will be
Any meaning is there? Anything you are able to.
thinking that there is a underline on in bold, the strong it will be
Okay, no worries. Okay. What are media queries?
media queries are it will we can apply styles based on the user.
Okay.
User can apply the styles based on the device. Generate media of the media type and media feature expression.
Now, what is
That
the main use of media queries? Like, why we use it, media queries?
it
Any
allows it allows users to apply styles based on the device.
based on the device? Okay, okay, got it.
TV printer.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay, okay. So, mm, what can we add? How can we add gradients in CSS
Gradient to change the color.
to change the color?
It will display different colors.
Okay,
So some color codes will be there.
okay,
Based on that, display the color.
okay. How can we hide the elements in CSS?
Some summary and details that have the details for using summary.
Summary tag. Okay. Okay, tell me the difference between display none and visibility hidden.
Display and visibility.
Display none, display none, and visibility hidden.
Display none means will not display. Display visible means we can hide the
We can hide and view
uh, visibility.
with the help of
Visibility.
visibility.
What is it? Display none, display visibility.
Display none and visibility hidden. What is the main
Yeah,
difference?
display visibility in the sense you can view and hide. Display none means it will not show anything.
So display none, the element will not show.
No,
Both will take space
no,
in the layout. Both will take space.
no, I think it started.
Any idea regarding space? The element. Suppose there is a one element. I am applying visibility hidden to the element, and I am applying the display none to the same element. So what can be the difference regarding the space? Both will take space in the layout, or which one will take and which one will not? What can be the scenario regarding the space?
No idea.
You don't have any idea? Okay. Uh, so okay, you are writing it down, right? Uh, okay. Can you let me know how can we animate using CSS? In CSS, how can we animate? Have you worked on keyframes?
No, no.
Okay, not a worry. Uh, what is the difference between CSS border and CSS outline?
CSS border in box model we use the border uh, content padding border in box.
Okay,
Uh, Once again, repeat question.
so there is a element. So can you let me know accordingly what can be the outline and what will be the border regarding the element? Okay, on the element there will be an outline, there will be the border, and there will be the outline. So on the element, can you explain how can be the outline and how can be the border?
Content is that element
Yeah,
outside the content is padding and
I'm asking for outline and border regarding the content. On the
border
content, if we are applying outline and if we are applying border, so what will be the border and outline on the element?
outline is margin anything.
Okay,
Border is after the padding border.
okay, no worries. Uh, how can we vertically center a text vertically?
That's
You told me 10 out of 10 in HTML and CSS. That's why I'm asking a bit tougher in HTML and CSS.
I thought that
No, no worries. You don't know, then that's fine. Not an issue.
just I'm checking how much
Okay. Uh, what is the use of span tag?
rank if there is a paragraph. If you want to style some part of the paragraph, we use the span element.
Okay, got it. Oh, so what is the difference between div tag and span tag?
If it is a container element, it will apply the whole element, whole page. Span is only as much width as possible. It will take the that much width.
So, difference is
Difference is will if you want if it is a container element, it will not the whole thing.
No, so there is a set of data with uh, a particular meaning.
You
So
apply
which
the
tag you
word
will apply?
if there is a content, the
Content we apply on div and span tag both, but content with meaning, there is some meaning to the content. So which tag we will apply on that? Div tag
div
or span tag?
div
Div tag. Okay. What is marquee tag?
div tag
Okay, you don't know. What are empty elements?
empty elements.
Yes. Do you know?
No, no, no.
Have you worked with image tag?
Image tag.
So image tag is empty element.
Self-closing tag. Empty element I don't know.
Okay, no worries. Uh, have you used fake caption tag?
Caption.
Yes. Okay. How can we? Okay. So what are the tags to display a table?
Table T-head T-body T-R T-H
Okay.
T-body will have
Okay.
T-D
Yeah.
table
Okay.
data.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. Do you know what is data list tag?
another list
Data list.
is two list another list order list.
Can you bit louder?
Another list and order list item.
Okay.
Order list
You don't
instance.
know.
Order list item.
Okay. So there is cell padding and cell spacing. You know cell padding and cell spacing.
No idea.
Okay. No worries. Uh, can we display a web page inside another web page?
Yes.
How?
This is object tag or item tag.
Okay. Okay. Is it possible to change an inline element into block level element? Is it possible?
No idea.
No idea. No worries. What are the different types of list in HTML?
Another list. List
Okay. What is the difference between them?
another list in the sense that there is no numbers, only
Okay.
dots.
Okay.
Order list in the sense 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4.
Okay. Got it. Okay. What is an image map?
It is an image mapper.
Yes.
Image map, no idea.
Okay. Not an issue. Uh, uh, how can we create a multicolored text on a web page?
No idea.
No idea. Not worry. Uh, can you explain the layout of HTML?
HTML,
Yeah.
document type, HTML, insert HTML header and body will be there. In the insert body we write the content.
No, no.
And the
What you said?
document type,
Yeah,
then after HTML,
I'm saying layout, just layout. There is
HTML get
there is a content
content.
footer.
Okay, web page. Okay. Header, nav, uh, footer, article section, side,
Can you let me know through sequence?
sequence.
There will be header first, header section.
Header,
Then
header, nav, article section, aside, then after footer.
there will be a sidebar.
Header, nav, then after your article and section, your aside, and bottom footer.
Okay, okay,
These are semantic elements.
okay. Uh, so you know summary tags.
Summary tag to view and hide the details within the summary tag.
Okay, 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 okay. Huh. Uh, can you tell me the various positioning properties in CSS?
Positioning element.
Properties.
Absolute, relative.
Hmm. Yeah.
It's
Absolute and
relative.
okay. Are there any these two only?
No, two, before 4, 5 hours. And
Okay.
then
So you are just aware of these two as of now, or you are unable to remember. Okay. What does CSS float property do?
uh, if there is a content and if you want to shift that element to left or right, you use that filter.
Float property.
Um,
Okay.
suppose if there is a content and an image, if you want to shift that image to left or right,
Okay.
you use that filter.
Okay. Okay. Uh, hmm, do you know about CSS box model?
Content padding, border, margin, so the box model.
Tell me through sequence. Okay. So in the middle there will be
In middle, center, it will be content.
yes,
Then after padding,
yes,
then after border,
yes,
then after margin.
margin. Okay. In JavaScript. Okay. Uh, do you know about local storage and session storage?
Local storage in the sense the data is stored in the browser. In the file data is stored. Even after we close the browser, the data will be present in the browser. Whereas session storage, if you open a new tab and data will be present in the browser. If you close the tab, data gets erased or expired.
Okay. If the tab is closed, then data gets lost
Yes,
in
in session
session
storage.
storage. Okay. Okay. Do you know the difference between inner text and inner HTML?
Actually, it is a text, text
Uh,
format only. I don't know the
okay, you don't know, right?
difference.
Okay, not a worry. Uh, There is shift and unshift method.
Um,
You know,
and shift is to add the element, and the shift is to remove.
we add and remove the element. That's it. We can add anywhere through shift unshift method.
Shift method to add the element.
Shift method we add.
Unshift.
Okay.
Shift
With the
to
help
add.
of unshift method we add. Right?
Yes, yes.
We can add anywhere in the array.
No, it's the front part of it.
In the the initial.
First, initial part is.
Okay. We
So,
can add only one element with the help of unshift method.
we can add any number of elements.
Okay. Okay. Fine. 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 Mhm. Uh, are you learning any other thing other than these? You have, as I can see, you have certification done, right?
I have certifications in HTML,
Yeah.
and also I'm taking practical application building in through April and H2.
Okay. You know Bootstrap.
CSS framework.
You know it, or you are learning on the
Long,
learning.
long back I used it.
Okay, so you're not a like you have.
Some pre-filled code will be there. We can keep it in the HTML style like that.
Okay, and you are anything MUI you are learning? Do you know
Uh,
Material UI?
now, UA, so many frameworks are there.
I'm just asking. I'm not asking the questions. I'm just asking you. Are you learning or Material
No,
UI?
as of now, no.
Okay,
No.
okay. No, not a worry. Yeah. What is the difference between CSS Grid and CSS Flexbox?
Let's pause. See a single one-dimensional layer. Where elements can be arranged in either row or column. Whereas with grid in the it's a two-dimensional layout. Elements can be arranged in row or column simultaneously.
Okay.
So that's the difference between Xbox and the
Okay, okay. Uh, do you know image reflection in CSS? How can like which property we can use for image reflection in CSS? Any idea? No worries, no worries, no worries. Uh, do you know about HSL colors in CSS? Okay,
SSL colors.
you don't know, right? Uh, as you have used database SQLite,
It's cool. Yes.
you know SQL, right?
No, presently I have studied, but once I have to revise.
Okay,
Maybe.
okay. No worries, no worries. Okay. Uh, okay then. That's it. So yeah, that's it. If you have any queries regarding how interviews, like what are the suggestions you want later on, you can let me know through the mail. Okay, that's fine.
If any company requires, uh, please refer me.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. I will try my best. Okay. What I can give is the reference part, and if you got, then that's fine. But you have to look into it because don't depend on me or anyone. Okay, just
Yeah,
try to apply it. If you don't get it, that's fine. But just try it. You will get it one or the another day. Okay, and if you have any set of queries, just let me know through a mail. Okay, don't send me after one after the other mail because I won't be again and again able to reply. Just take 2 to 3 days. Any set of queries you have, you can have in a particular mail, and you can let me know. Okay, I will try to respond as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay.
What companies will check from a person?
Yes. What company?
Will check from a person. Full stack as a full stack developer. What companies will
Okay. You are applying as a full stack developer.
yes.
uh, because so as a full stack developer, they will look for the front end and back end part. So see, you know Node.js, right?
This I know,
But
but
you are
I
not
didn't get it.
skills are not stronger.
Practically not implemented.
Okay, so like
From Visual Studio.
you can have like, if you're telling me as a full stack developer, then it will be, you should be knowing it. You can't say that I know less or that. You should be knowing it. But if you say, if you know only front end part, or if you know only back end part, so you have to apply on every, like, so suppose there is a requirement for front end development as well, but you are a full stack developer, so you can apply for front end development as well, and you can say that I know back end part as well, but not as highly skilled as front end part. You are able to
Okay.
understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, because in the initial part you want the experience and go through, you want to push into the industry, right? So get it, whatever you like, just to push, to get a push in the industry, because every company will look for a full stack developer, that's for sure. uh, Suppose there is a requirement for backend part, so you don't neglect it. You put there as a backend developer, but put all the skills, as a front end developer as well. Back, you are applying for it, so there will be a main portion, but you put it front end part, because so if the companies are looking for front end or back end, any one of them, and they know that you are a full stack developer, then you have addition as compared to any other front end fresher. They will look you as an advantage, because so suppose they are looking for front end part, and front end and back end both, so that's an advantage as a candidate. Okay, so just look how you can get through a push. You just need an initial experience, and once you have, then sky's the limit. Okay.
I think if I excel in my skills, they will take.
Yeah, you, no need for excellence, but just as you are in the initial fresher, so they won't be asking. I'm pretty sure that the questions regarding HTML says, now you rated as 10 out of 10, that's why I asked you tough, but they won't be asking you that tough. Even JavaScript, I don't think so. They will be asking as tougher as this one, but be prepared for the tough, so that easier will you will go through it. Okay, and even in this scenarios, like, they are like hiring is less as compared to previous years, but there are hirings going on. So you just need a push in the initial part. Okay, and as I said, just apply everywhere. You don't know where you can get through it. Okay,
Yeah,
so yeah, that's it from my side, and okay, we will wrap it up.
yeah.
Okay,
Right.
okay, okay, Shrikant.